type of vegetable fruit that and vegetable that we just harvested. We have melon here, 5 different type of melon that we just harvested. Like the currants, this is the currants here. This is moonlight, and then we have the thank you here. Oh, I think they are. Then we have tomato here. These are all going to be donated to the orphanage, and this one are going for sale. Then we have pepper here. These are going to be donated to the orphanage. Again, pepper. Then we have bitter gourd for sale. Then we have watermelon. Different type of watermelon.